Exclamation mark. Here's a simple recipe for making an Ayurvedic oil at home that may promote long and healthy hair growth. Ingredients: 1 cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon dried amla, Indian gooseberry, powder, 1 tablespoon dried bringraj, false daisy, powder, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek, methi, seeds, 1 teaspoon dried curry leaves, optional. Instructions: 1. In a clean, dry glass jar, combine the coconut oil, dried amla powder, dried bringraj powder, dried fenugreek seeds, and dried curry leaves, if using. 1. Mix well to ensure the herbs are evenly distributed. 2. Seal the jar tightly and place it in a cool, dark place. 3. Let the mixture infuse for at least 2 weeks. 3. Shake the jar gently every few days to promote better extraction of the herbs. 4. After 2 weeks, strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean container. 4. Squeeze out as much oil as possible from the herbs. 5. Your Ayurvedic hair oil is now ready for use. Usage: 1. Take a small amount of the oil and warm it slightly using a double boiler or by placing the container in warm water. 2. Part your hair into sections and apply the warm oil to your scalp. 3. Massage your scalp gently in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. 4. Once your scalp is covered, apply the remaining oil to the length of your hair. 5. Leave the oil on for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight for better results. 6. Rinse your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo and condition as usual. Note: perform a patch test before applying the oil to your scalp to check for any allergic reactions. Additionally, remember that individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or an Ayurvedic practitioner before using any homemade remedies.